Hey guys, sorry that video got cut off. I thought because I got family here right now. Really quickly, I'll show you that last pack I got. Billy Butler, Jesse Hahn, Pat Leonardo, Adrian Gonzalez, Giordano Ventura, Tyler Austin, Gold Adam Eaton, Chris Villanueva, Angel Pagan, and Ike Davis. That's it, you guys. Part 3 will be coming a little bit later tonight.